everybody. I wanted to come on live and do the Scentsy drawing from the open house. So I'll wait for a few people to come on and we'll see who our winner is. So while we wait for a few people to pop on here, I just wanted to thank everybody for coming. It was an awesome open house. You guys got so many deals. There was warmers for half price that you guys went home with. Everything was on sale, from bars to warmers, laundry, cleaning, body. The bulbs were on sale, pods, the diffusers, everything. So you guys really got some great deals. The sale's still going on. So during the month of August is transition month. So that's when Scentsy kind of fades out summer fragrances and then brings in fall. So it's when our new fall catalog launches. And I'll post some links. Hey Jessica, I see you joined. So we're gonna do a drawing here to see who wins the drawing from the open house. Let's see here. The sale's still going on. So during the month of August, that's when Scentsy kind of fades out summer and brings in fall. I'll post a link to the fall catalog probably later tonight or tomorrow. That way you guys can thumb through it online and kind of see what's new for fall. And there even is a fall harvest catalog too, with some specialty items just for fall. And they're super cool. There's like a purple pumpkin warmer that's on my wish list. I know that for sure. So I know a few others have seen that and wanted it too. Also the September warmer of the month is coming out pretty soon, and I posted a sneak peek of what that looks like. That is going to be a hot seller. So if you're interested in that little guy, make sure you get on my pre-order list. That way you don't miss out. All right, there's a few of you watching, so let's get busy. Who's gonna win? Enter to win, right? So let's see what we're gonna win. Scentsy swipes. I thought I would change it up a little bit instead of always giving away bars. Something that not a lot of people have used, maybe Scentsy swipes. These, usually pops open when I squeeze it. These are awesome. So you get Scentsy swipes, kind of like Clorox wipes, but without all of the bleach and the harsh chemicals. And they smell really good too. These are Johnny Appleseed. They are quite large wipes. They're like 7 inches by 7 inches, so they're quite large. All right, so I got all the names in here from who came to the open house and put their name in the drawing. And I got my sidekick over here. I got Nina, and she's gonna draw. So Nina, the claw. Who'd you pick? Who'd you pick? Who did she pick? Drum roll. Heather! Heather, you won the swipes. Whoops. Reach out to me to claim your prize. Heather, thank you so much for coming. It was a delight to see you and your daughter and everybody else that came to the open house. We'll have another one soon. I like to do them when everything's on sale, because why not, right? Everything's on sale in August. It'll come around again in February, which is my birthday month. So I hope to see you at my next open house, and I'll be doing some fall shows, so I'll keep you guys updated. All right, thanks again. Have a wonderful night. Bye, everybody.